Hi, I'm Sam. Here's how to adjust the audio recording settings on the Sony XLR-H1 Top Handle and the Sony FX3. Open the menu and scroll down to the red tab with the camera, the Shooting tab. Now, go to the right and scroll down to item number 6, Audio Recording. Go to the right again, scroll down to Shoe Audio Set, and press the center button. If you select 2-channel, the camera will record 1 audio track in stereo. If you select 4-channel, the camera will record 4 audio tracks in mono. You can use the input select switch on the top handle to designate which inputs are sent to channels 1 and 2. If you select input 1 at the bottom, input 1 will be sent to channels 1 and 2, input 3 will be sent to channels 3 and 4, and input 2 will not be recorded. If you select input 1, input 2 in the middle, input 1 will be sent to channel 1, input 2 will be sent to channel 2, and input 3 will be sent to channels 3 and 4. And lastly, if you select input 3 at the top, input 3 will be sent to channels 1 and 2, input 1 will be sent to channel 3, and input 2 will be sent to channel 4. Just keep in mind, you won't be able to use the inputs on the top handle and the mic input on the camera body at the same time. Now, to adjust the settings to monitor the audio, scroll down to the yellow tab with the briefcase, the Setup tab. Now, go to the right and go down to item number 9, Sound Option. Go to the right again, scroll down to 4-channel audio monitoring, and press the center button. If you select channel 1/channel 2, you'll hear channel 1 on the left and channel 2 on the right. If you select channel 3/channel 4, you'll hear channel 3 on the left and channel 4 on the right, and so on. These settings only affect how you hear the audio coming from the headphone jack during filming and in-camera playback. This is a brand new channel, so please like and subscribe. And if you have a second, say hi in the comments. It means a lot, especially in these early stages. All right, have a good shoot.